I recently got this extra large beach bag. It was actually sent to me from the company so I could go ahead and give my full and honest review. So I wanted to go ahead and show you the beach bag just like this, folded up right before I put any items inside of it, just so you could take a look and see how large this beach bag actually is. I absolutely love the vibrant orange color. This definitely screams summer vibes, so super, super nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Check it out. It is a large bag. I'm gonna go ahead and step back just so you could take a look and see. It is see-through, so you could see through the bag itself. Very, very nice. And then and here on the words, here it says, all you need is a good dose of vitamin C. Super cute. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the straps. Very nice thick straps, especially if you're going to be filling this bag up. You definitely want some larger straps just so it could be a lot of support, especially when you're carrying it if you're going on a beach vacation, anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. It does have a zipper right here up top, so you don't have to worry about stuff falling out of it. Very, very nice zipper. Works very nice. This is what it looks like. Very nice zipper. Also on the inside here, it does have a small pocket, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up just to show you. Very nice small pocket. You could fit your wallet, your phone in there, any smaller items. But take a look. Very, very wide bag. You could comfortably fit about 5 to 8 beach towels here and fill it up with clothing. So I'm going to go ahead and put some items in here just to see how many items it fits. So we'll take a look. Take a look. I filled it up with the blanket, a towel, clothing, sandals, my brush. I have some lotion on the side. It does have some side pockets here, have some gel, but there is still so much more extra room to make sure and pack it all in there. But as you can see, it fit everything nicely and neatly. There's also another pocket right here in the front. Super nice. I like the straps. Like I said, it is a lot of support, especially when you're carrying a lot of items. This is definitely convenient. But overall, if you're looking for a large, extra large beach bag, I would definitely recommend, and they do have a variety of color options available.